What's up, y'all? Back with another video. Just giving an update on my crypto perspective today. So just looking at the market, a lot of stuff is going down today. Kind of got F back around 250. Litecoin, which surged in the last few days, is back around $50. I think it went up to at least $57 or so. So that showed a lot of growth. Ethereum Classic, $17. Bitcoin, right around $25.70. And that's really what I'm paying attention to right now. But out of those coins, today I wanted to talk about Litecoin. So I'm just taking some more time to think about the future of Litecoin and how things may play out. You know, with Bitcoin, with this fork coming up over the next month or so, August 1st, there probably will be some money flowing out of Bitcoin into Litecoin, also Ethereum, I would think. And I think that Litecoin probably has a bigger upside and will have less volatility during that time. Just, you know, because Ethereum's used for so many of these ICOs, you're probably going to see a lot of volatility. And I think people looking to preserve their Bitcoin value while it may dip prior to this fork will probably look to Litecoin or you know, something like it, something that's stable, something that doesn't lose a lot of value quickly, something that's reliable. So I think over the next couple weeks I'm gonna accumulate more and more Litecoin. I think once, you know, people do move some of their money over to Litecoin, it'll probably stay there. So you know, after the Bitcoin fork is resolved. So yeah, I think Litecoin is a pretty good buy right now, sitting at right around $50. It may drop down some more. If you got in a couple days ago, I got in some a couple days ago around 35 when it had dipped. You know, that was a pretty obvious buy. I got in again around 43 when I woke up that morning, 44. Now it's up to 50, 51. Had jumped to 57 yesterday. And then it jumped pretty fast, so I was going to try and catch the jump and buy back in around this level. But I just wasn't home for the holidays, so I wasn't able to do that. And I hate doing that on my phone, really. You know, you hit the wrong thing and you end up doing something you don't want to do. But yeah, that's what I'm really thinking about right now, Litecoin. I think Charlie Lee leaving Coinbase for, you know, to focus on Litecoin is a sign of what's to come. There are probably a lot of behind the scenes things going on right now, which is designed to take Litecoin to the next level. That's the reason why I would really see someone leaving one endeavor to focus on, you know, another, especially someone of his caliber, someone well known in the space. There has to be some initiative which is going to push the project much farther than what it is. So my predictions for Litecoin by the end of the year, I'm thinking anywhere between $200 and $250 per Litecoin. You know, right now that's about 10% of Bitcoin's value. I think Bitcoin will go up substantially from there, and I think even Litecoin has a potential to go higher. But I think on a conservative note, I think $200 to $250 Litecoin by the end of the year is pretty reasonable. So if you're thinking about those figures, investing in a stable coin that's been around for a long time, which has a lot of history, which has some of the technology that Bitcoin doesn't have, and probably will continue to innovate and be not as much considered a test network, but as an innovator for Bitcoin. It looks like Litecoin may be that payment system, and Bitcoin will be digital gold. So, you know, you'll think of Litecoin like your silver dollars or your coins in your pocket, and you'll think of Bitcoin as your gold bars, which is what you'll use to go buy cars, homes, things like that, you know, large purchases. And you'll use your Litecoin for everyday purchases because it's cheaper, faster. It has a lot of the same functionality and even more as Bitcoin. So yeah, that's my spiel for today. I'm moving even more of my Bitcoin into Litecoin as I think about this the last couple of days. So I'm gonna do that over the next few hours, probably an hour or two. Take my time doing it, a couple of days maybe. Looks like the price is dropping. It's down about 2% now, so you know, maybe a good time to buy. It's a red day for overall in crypto, so I'm gonna try and get it done today, see if it drops a little bit further. But yeah, I'm going a little bit more all in on Litecoin. Still gonna hold some Bitcoin. Always gonna have my Ethereum in my portfolio, but I'm looking to make Litecoin is my focus right now, to be my next coin that I look to acquire a large amount of. So yeah, I think I was actually told about this a few weeks ago by Fact Finesses Fiction in my comments. You know, shout out to Fact Finesses Fiction. Always comments on the videos. Yeah, and I should have bought in then. I should have bought in when you told me, but you know, better a little late than never. I think I definitely see the vision, and hopefully we all make a lot of money with this. So once again, thank y'all for checking out the video. Follow me on Instagram at legal_Jones. Make sure you subscribe below. Hit the notifications button and keep buying that crypto.